Well, hello friends. Today I want to show you these awesome lids called Easy Fermenter. The Easy Fermenter. And what it is a lid that allows the pressurized air to escape. And what's nice, it also has the days of the month here, so you could set what day you started it. I don't know if you could see it. It's very hard to see because it's so tiny, but it has the days of the month, and you would just set that. So for example, today's the 26th, I think, or 27th. Let's see, so I would move this to right there, so the 27th. Okay, so I'm going to be making kombucha, and I've already made the tea first. So and for a half gallon bottle, you're going to make 4 tea bags, and that's going to be 1/2 cup sugar. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to take these off of here, and this has already been cleaned. And first thing you want to do is add a little bit of the hot water. Let's see. Let's put in hot water because you want to melt the sugar first. So let's go ahead and get 1/2 cup of the sugar. Because it would have been, for a gallon, it would be a full cup, and this is a 1/2 cup. Okay, so this is just pure cane sugar. You can use any kind of real sugar, just none of the Splenda or Equal, anything like that. And then also, not for the kombucha, but for the kefir, you want to add some molasses. So we're saving that for that one. So here, I'm going to add the sugar in there. And the thing is, the tea normally would be hot, and you would pour a little bit of the hot tea and then melt your sugar and then let it cool and then put it in. But I let that cool for quite a while now, so that would not work. So let's go ahead and I'm going to use my filtered water and on hot so that it'll melt fast. Okay, so now I'm using filtered water. And so I'm using about 1/2 cup of water. And I'm going to swirl it around to dissolve the sugar. And when it looks dissolved, I'll add the tea. And it looks like it could use a little more water because you want it to be about to where it begins to curve. So I'm going to add a little more water right about there. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to put about a cup of the what do you call it? There's the original, the one that it came from, kind of like hair of the dog. But I'm going to pour out a little bit of this water now because I want it to still be at that level right there. And you know that mushroom will eventually come up to the top. See, I don't know if you can see it there, but I had saved it from one of my, I have like a mushroom hotel. And so I put it in there, and then you just put the lid on it. And basically within 7 days it's ready to go. So here you go. That's your kombucha. And you use these and you don't have to worry about having to burp it or any bugs or anything getting in there because it's set. And now for the kefir. I just want to show you. I've already prepared this. Oh, and this was just so that you could see. You put 4 tea bags. Okay. This is the kefir. And here I have some kefir. Normally you put in about a quarter cup, approximately a quarter cup of the kefir in there. But first you want to add 1/2 cup water. 1/2 cup sugar, and fill with water, and add the kefir in, and then it's good to go. And then I just put this on there so that you could see, it sideways. But I have a lid that I already was using on it. And then this one is in case you also wanted to ferment like kimchi or veggies. You again can use it for that. So this is just I think it's about 1 tablespoon per cup of water for the brine on these. So then you just seal it. Again, you don't have to worry about it till it's ready. So all of these 3 things, I used the fermenter, the easy fermenter lids, and they've been working very well for me. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.